Hi, my name is Christina Govinda with DomesticFelicity.com, and today we're going to talk about how to fold tulle for a bow holder. For this project, you'll need tulle, scissors, and yarn. When you buy your tulle, it will already be folded in half on the bolt. Keep that fold intact, and we're going to unfold the tulle, pulling it so that it is even and straight. Decide how long you want the skirt of your bow holder to be, and then pinch there. Now this is where we're going to cut. Now we're going to use our cut piece as our measurement for the rest of the pieces of tulle. Once you're finished, you will have 3 pieces of tulle to fold over and tie. If you'd like a fuller skirt, you can always buy a longer length of tulle. Folding the tulle for your bow holder is very simple. We're going to take our tulle, grabbing it in the middle, and then fold it in half. Make sure that you have it even and are actually holding the middle. Once you've found the middle of your tulle, take your piece of yarn and tie a tight knot. Now your tulle is folded and ready to be attached. Thanks so much for watching. My name is Christina, and today we talked about how to fold tulle for your bow holder.